Hi Sagittarius, it's Allison and thank you for joining me at Missy Tarot Savvy. Now, today we're going to be doing a weekly reading for you. Happy Sunday, happy Father's Day, and let's jump into it. Alright, let's just jump right into your energy, Sagittarius, for this week. We're going to pull a card for each day of the week and go from there. Whoa, that really wanted to pop out. First day for this week, you have the Lovers. Second day here. Also, I'm hearing, don't force it, whatever it is. 4, and then we have 5, 6. Oh, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. All right, so we have 2 queens on the board. Good energy. All right, Sagittarius. Also, remember we are in retrograde season. Mercury is retrograde and Scorpio is retrograde. And Jupiter is retrograde, so it's a really good time for reflection for a number of you. The number 7 is very significant. All right, Lovers. All right, so the beginning of the week, I'm seeing it's very nice for a number of you. You are spending time with family, I'm seeing, for a number of you. Happy Father's Day. It's actually coming up here in the channel. We have 6 of Spares, 2 of Coins, 4 of Swords. Okay, so for a number of you, I'm seeing a lot of resting and meditation on the 5th day here. On Friday is what I'm seeing here for a number of you, which is very, very good. It's the day of Venus, the day to take care of yourself and ground yourself. All right, now we have Saturday is Queen of Swords and Sunday is Queen of Wands. Very nice energy here. So with the Queen of Swords, I'm actually hearing music for a number of you with the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Wands here. Now, let's clear it. And for a number of you, let's clear. I feel like there is an energy of making a decision here for a number of you. You could be meditating on that, okay? So this could be regards to family or friends, whatever it is, but I'm seeing this is a connection here for a number of you, okay? Could be Leo, or have that in your chart somewhere. Also, I'm hearing for a number of you, communication. I feel like for a number of you, I'm hearing teacher as well here, okay? I'm hearing you're very happy in the beginning of the week here for a number of you, okay? Now, what I'm seeing is that you're making really good decisions when it comes with your finances with the 2 of Coins. I feel like you're balancing a lot of things out here, okay? Especially with the 2 of Coins and the 4 of Swords. You're doing very, very, I'm hearing you're doing very, very well in this record? Okay, I'm not sure what that's alluding to for a number of you. It also could be a metaphor for the record playing in your head, right? So I'm hearing that I'm getting this vision of you cleaning like your records, and so they play out a lot smoothly. Okay, so this is probably Mercury retrograde coming through here for you, but I'm seeing that you're doing very well here with that. Heavy emphasis on the solar and the throat chakra here. So for a number of you, you could be meditating on what you would like to say here when it comes to maybe your audience. I'm seeing for a number of you, whatever that is to you. We do have Leo energy here, okay? And now for a number of you, I feel like I want to pull actually another card here with the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Wands, right? Can you clarify that for my fellow Sagittarius brothers and sisters? Okay. Now this is definitely music for a number of you here. I need to be the one who takes you home. I'm not really sure what this is, but we have the Two of Cups and the Four of Wands. Interesting. So for a number of you, I feel like you're... I feel like for a number of you, I'm getting Scorpio energy here. Something is definitely coming up for review when it comes to... we have water energy here with that, so let's clear it. I'm hearing, one second, let's clear it. For a number of you, this has to do with your creative potential as well. Okay, so yeah, we do have Judgment here, so that's confirming that this is Scorpio energy. So definitely bear with me. Bear with me here, okay? Heavy Neptune, I'm hearing. Heavy Neptune. I'm hearing Swan Song. Okay, so let's clear it. So for a number of you, you could have met somebody here in Mercury retrograde that is actually bringing something up that is reflecting for you, whatever that is for you. All right. Yes, and what I'm hearing, because we have, when I split that, we have the King of Swords that actually matches the Queen of Swords. So what I'm seeing here, it's matching energy. I feel like for a number of you, both parties have Neptune conjunctions together, water aspects. When it comes to your synastry chart is what I'm seeing here, and that is coming up here. So for a number of you, the Queen of Swords and the King of Swords are all about decisions and discernment, right? Decisions and discernment. I'm hearing 4 for a number of you. And is very matter of fact. So I feel like whatever this is definitely coming up for review. And I feel like whoever this is definitely matching your energy, okay? All right, now let's get another card out here for you. Let's clear it and ground. It's almost interesting. I'm literally hearing the ice let's clear it. Okay, so I'm hearing the Ice King and the Ice Queen with the Lovers. We did have the Queen and King of Swords, and they're actually like staying warm, like together, but they're in the cold. So I feel like a lot of this is mental. I'm hearing Mercury for a number of you. Okay. A lot going on, a connection in the headspace. I'm hearing the crown chakra as well. And I feel like with the sun here, it's like melting the ice. And also, I'm kind of seeing that this Queen of Wands is sunbathing, right? Is sunbathing. Vitamin D, I'm hearing. Okay. Definitely I'm hearing Leo for a number of you. Feel like something about, okay, let's clear it. When it comes to like the 5th house, I'm hearing for a number of you, okay? So something is definitely coming in your conscious mind, all right? Whatever that is for you. Okay, let's clear it and ground, and let's get one more card out here. Get a card right here. Heavy Libra energy. A lot of balanced energy here, you know, seriously, like with the Lovers, the 2 of Coins, and the 4 Swords. You know, if you feel anything is hectic, just wait, okay? All right, now you pulled Archangel Azrael's. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, but I can't, pretty much this one is like the angel of death, you know. He helps newly crossed souls adjust and to cross on, and helps grieving loved ones on the earth plane to deal with their grief and process of loss. Okay. And also helps spiritual teachers to shield themselves from absorbing their clients' pain and guide their words and actions. The angel assists in all types of life changes, endings, and transitions. Okay. So he is here. And he is assisting in this transition, you know, just wait, you know, during a change here. Because we do have the 2 of Coins, and that is significant with change, okay? Alright, so if somebody is on bed rest here, I am seeing with the 4 Swords. I am hearing wait, okay? So if somebody did cross on, if this was somebody who was dear to you, I'm seeing that they were very much loved. They were praised, okay? Could be a father figure here with the sun, okay? We have Gemini, Leo, we have Libra energy here, okay? We also have Aries energy here, Aries. So, or it could have been a feminine here, Aries feminine, I'm actually hearing for a number of you. They're telling me, they want me to tell you that your peace is their peace on the other side, okay? Now let's get a rune out. You're on the right track. I'm definitely seeing that, okay? Now let's get a rune out here for you. Sagittarius. Okay. Now let me get a rune out here for this week for Sagittarius, please. Oh my gosh, did you see that just pop out? Wow. Wow. Okay, this one looks like this. Kind of like an acute angle, huh? Man. Alright. This one is Kenaz. It's spelled K-E-N-N-A-Z. And it represents a torch. Vision. Creativity. Creativity. They wanted me to, like, re-innovate that. Or re-innovate? Renovate? Okay, let's clear it and ground. I'm not sure what that's alluding to, but inspiration. It also represents inspiration, improvement, and vitality. All pretty much like the sun is pretty much what I'm hearing. Okay? Alright, whatever that is for you. And that's all I have for you for this week, and I hope and I am so, let's clear it and ground, and I hope you have a good week. Bye.